Hey everybody, for those of you that don't know, my name's Hoopy, and today we are building fence. We're over here at my buddy Steven's house. We're going to be taking post driver on the excavator and setting post. Well, there you go. The right equipment makes all the difference. There's 17 posts. We did 30-foot span, wood post every 30 foot, and he's going to drive steel T-post every 10 in between. But this post driver here was made for the skid steer whenever he got it, and he had a blank attachment thing here, and he had to adapt it to it. Had to drill the holes out and make them fit there. But it works real good on the excavator. Makes quick work of this fence building shit here. Well, we got a good bit done here. We ran out of posts that we already stripped the bark off of, so we're going to stand here in the shade and do this, and we can keep on moving out through here. Should have brought the 038 over and make quick work of sharpening these bats.
These mine.
Farm ball, that would still be faster than that. Just for anyone that doesn't know, the reason we have to peel the bark off, at least the bottom 2 foot, is because that's what goes in the ground, and if you leave the bark on, your bark will rot away, and then your post will be loose in the ground. So if you peel it, it drives in and it'll stay tight. And we sharpen them just to make them drive in a little easier. Also, here we use yellow locust, and on average it's 25 to 30 years out of these posts, but I know where there's some in the ground. They're probably 50 plus and they've still got wire nailed to them. So that's what we use around here. Well, there you go, guys. That there took us, if you don't count the time of cleaning and sharpening the post, we probably had an hour and a half in driving. How many posts did we drive? What did we say, 35 at least?
Yeah.
And that was just the wooden ones. But an hour and a half to drive 35 posts. That driver on the excavator, that's a business right there. So this here is a CID fence post driver. So far, this post driver has been amazing. It works wonderful. He tried it on the skid steer the other night. It did okay, but it just couldn't get to places that we needed it. We attached it to the excavator and it works great. I mean, just, you can't ask for anything better than that. I've used them on tractors before and they work, but they take a while to beat them into the ground. You have to have a tractor with good hydraulics, good brakes, especially if you're working on a bank. And the way that they work is the hydraulics push it up and they're spring loaded, and whenever you release it, it drops and hammers it, and it just takes a while. This thing, this is a game changer right here. Well, we're back at it again today. Today we're going to finish this up. We've got to run right up along here, up along this woods line and up this right of way. And just right there around that corner where them trees stop is another fence. So we've got to do all this. We're going to get to it.